Hi everyone. I thought this trail deserves its own like YouTube video instead of YouTube shorts because it's so long. So I'm doing part of Dutchman's Trail, which is that 9.5. It's actually 9.2. The actual like trail, like what people call it, is Lick Mountain via Uwharrie Trail and Dutchman's Creek Trail. Dutchman's Creek Trail is about 21 miles. I'm not backpacking today. Let's get riding. We are here. I had to get a camping ground just because they have no parking lots. All these camping sites are free. We just started the trail. And of course, it's foggy. So Buddy's acting up. He keeps biting on his sleeves, which right now, I think he just wants to rest and stop walking for a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. We're getting to the part of the mountain that has fog because it's raining at the top. We still have to go all the way up there, like doop. We made it to the peak, but since it's foggy, you can't see all the views you're supposed to see. But we're about to rest because the hike up this mountain was just half a mile, just straight up. Taking a little water break and snack break. We are at mile 7, means only 2 more miles to go. I finished the trail. It was 3 miles longer. It was 12 miles. It was 3 miles longer than all trails said. So I'm tired. And I did save myself a little snack for when I got out, which are cookies. I'm sorry if you guys didn't get any like footage of like the last 3 miles. Once I hit 9 miles, once I hit 8 miles to put my music on, and then once it hit 10.12 miles, I called my mother for moral support because I wanted to lay down on the ground and just sleep there for the night because I was so tired. And I was preparing for a 9.2 mile hike, a hard hike, not a 12 mile hike. Wanting to do this hike, it's 12 miles, it is rated hard, and you go up 4 mountains. In Lick Mountain, when you're going up and going down, you're basically rock climbing. Oh, here are my stats. There's Buddy.